Hey guys, Mamie Carson here with OneJoyousGive.com, and today I'm going to be doing a haul / October card kit video for Simon Says Stamp, and I'm super excited because I don't always get the monthly subscription through Simon, but the October one is amazing. So yeah, and I got some other goodies as well, so I guess they're all in this box. I have no idea because I have not opened it. I told myself I had to make a video before I'm allowed to play with anything. So I'm going to jump right into it. I also got a $10 off of any purchase, so I'm super excited to use that. They're going to have me coming back for sure. I make an order at Simon like at least once every, I don't know, 3 to 6 months, but it's always nice to get coupons, you know? So we're going to open it up and see what I got. What's cool about it is that you usually forget, you know, what you ordered, but since I've been waiting on it, I know exactly what's in here. Well, I know for the most part what's in here. All right. So let me get this to kind of, okay, let me make sure we can see everything pretty good. The lighting's not great in here. It's nighttime. I haven't had time to make any videos during the day, so apologize for that. Okay, so I've got here another $5 off of $5 or more, so I've got another coupon for that. And so I went ahead and picked up the My Favorite Things Extreme Black. I'm going to try that out and see how that works out. I got some more of this crystal clear sequins in various sizes. I got more refills for my what are those called? The chapstick holders that you can get the dies for and everything. I think these are great for teacher gifts, and so I already had some, and I just got some of the refills now that, you know, it's been about a year or so since they came out with this product, and so now they pretty much have them in stock all the time. But I remember when they first came out, they were never in stock. So let's see what we got under here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So cute. So this is the LLAMA from Neat and Tangled, and it's adorable. I also got some stencils here. I got this watercolor stripes stencil from Altenew. I really love the idea of doing the stripes on your card just to kind of create your own background, and I really love this one because it's organic and it looks like, you know, you did it by hand. Let's see. I also got this very versatile floral one from Echo Park, and this one is called Celebrate Autumn, I think. Autumn Branches stencil. And I think it could be used for so many different times of the year, honestly, because it's just branches and leaves in different sizes. And so it really breaks up, you know, a boring background with adding these leaves to it. And you can even mask, you know, certain parts of the stencil so that you can have just the leaves on the outside. So much we could do with that. And now also I got this little cutie from Neat and Tangled called You're a Treat, and I cannot wait. I'm definitely going to be doing a video with this one really soon. I better hurry up. Look at this little cute witch. Oh my goodness. Love it. And and then lastly, on the stamps in this area here is the Neat and Tangled Puppy's Favorite Things. I have the kitty cat, but I love puppies, and so I'm going to get to play with the puppy and all the little things that come with the puppy as well. So I'm excited about this stamp set. And I got a couple of paper pads. I got the Dragon Tails paper pad because I have the MFT Dragons stamp set that I use all the time, and so I thought it'd be great to be able to pair it with something. And then I also have just several stamp sets that would go good with the fairy tale type designs. I got some back to school papers as well by Doodlebug, and this is great for anything that has to do with school or your teachers, etc. And then I just got this one because it's adorable. Cream and Sugar. It goes great with anything. So this is just great for friend card, thank you cards, you know, any kind of project like that. And it has just the cutest images of donuts and coffee. Yeah, so I would open these up, but I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time. But if y'all want to see those opened up, just, I don't know, let me know down in the comments. And then finally, we're going to open the October card kit. See what all comes in here. Alrighty. So we got first the Alcohol Lift ink from Tim Holtz. So this will be really cool. I don't have anything like this. And it comes with 3 different colors of alcohol inks, and it's like in a turquoise and an orange and a yellow. And then we have some of these. These, I think I read that these were supposed to be used with the foil sheets that come in the pack. So you can lay your foil on top and send it through your heat machine like a laminator. And I don't know. So I didn't get it because of this, but it'll probably be a really cool thing to try out and practice because I really haven't done a whole lot of foiling. So yeah. And let's see, what do we have here? Oh yeah, this is some Yupo paper that you can use with your alcohol inks, which is great. Obviously, the fact that I don't know what's really in this set is pathetic, but it's because I got it for the stamp set. But I'm just going to show you real quick that you get a package of the fancy foils, and there's 12 sheets in here, and they're so cool. There's all kinds of different designs on them. This one has like little stars on it. It's a bit holographic. But, oh my goodness, look at this. Oh man, look at that bouquet. And it comes with separate parts so that you can add, more to it or just use the separate parts. And it also comes with really beautiful sentiments. Happiest of birthdays, sending hugs, you're in my thoughts, thinking of you, with sympathy. I mean, just tons of them. I mean, it's just crazy. So this is a fantastic stamp set. And the stamp set itself is like $24. So it's like $10 more to get the whole card kit. So why not, right? You get all the foil sheets so you can practice all your foiling. You get the Yupo paper so that you can do your alcohol, whatever it's called. I don't even know. I can't even think right now off the top of my head because I haven't really done it too much. The alcohol ink projects. And then you get the lift ink as well. And you get those foil sheets, the foil cards that you can create your cards with. So I think, and you get some Simon Says cardstock. So it comes in orange, yellow, and turquoise. Oh, it's kind of like the same colors that you have here in your inks. So anyway, that is everything that I have in my box for the month, and I'm so excited to start creating. And I'm going to be having a video up really quick in the next couple of days featuring a stamp set from Pretty Pink Posh, so make sure you watch out for that. And make sure you hit like and subscribe and click the little bell so that you can get notified, because people are not being notified anymore for some reason. The algorithms are not showing up in people's notifications or on their wall anymore. So make sure you click the bell so you don't miss any videos. All right, guys, I'll see y'all really soon. Bye.